Top 12 SaaS Development Companies in USA 2026. These top SaaS development companies deliver scalable cloud solutions with AI, automation, security, and business growth. Number 1. Techanic Infotech develops scalable SaaS applications with cloud integration, automation, security, and business growth. Number 2. CrinPro builds innovative SaaS solutions with analytics, automation, and seamless digital experiences. Number 3. LeewayHertz creates AI-powered SaaS platforms with cloud infrastructure and advanced automation capabilities. Number 4. Antier Solutions delivers scalable SaaS platforms with workflow automation and cloud deployment services. Number 5. Hidden Brains develops feature-rich SaaS applications with analytics, automation, and cloud integration. Number 6. Konstant Infosolutions builds secure SaaS solutions with cloud technologies and scalable architectures. Number 7. Daffodil Software creates innovative SaaS applications with automation, analytics, and business intelligence. Number 8. QBurst delivers modern SaaS platforms with cloud integration and personalized user experiences. Number 9. Clarion Technologies develops high-performance SaaS applications with scalable and secure business solutions. Number 10. Pixelcrayons builds AI-enabled SaaS solutions with automation and cloud-based infrastructure. Number 11. IBM provides enterprise SaaS solutions powered by AI, cloud computing, and automation. Number 12. Accenture delivers scalable SaaS applications with digital transformation and cloud innovation. Techanic Infotech develops scalable SaaS solutions with cloud integration, automation, analytics, and secure business management.